So let's show you some sample data. I shot mine off of a lab table, which is about a yard tall. Add the little height of the hole above that, and you get about 0.96 meters. So I chose to, let me just tell you where this bottle came from. This bottle is actually a Stars and Stripes, which is the brand that Dollar Tree carries. Stars and Stripes 3-liter bottle for like lemonade or grape soda or whatever kind of thing. Why do I like those bottles so much? They have these really, really vertical sides like a nice cylinder, and they're much taller than 2-liter bottles, and they're $1 each. So go buy Stars and Stripes from Dollar Tree, get different flavors, have a party with your kids, and make sure you save all the bottles. Okay, that's how I was able to go all the way up to 0.14 meters, 14 centimeters. The horizontal distance that the water peed out were these. Remember, I took data in reverse order. And then how did I get the speed the water merged? Well, using capital H equals 1/2 t gt squared, like we saw with continuity, you can find the amount of time that the water droplet travels as a projectile. That is a constant. And then d equals vt, so d over the time of a projectile is the velocity. Okay, so very good. That's what I got. I have the students make a graph, speed as it depends on height, and the question is, what type of relationship is this? Is it a linear relationship? Looks like it curves, especially if you remember, if the water has no height, that means that the water ain't going nowhere. So 0, 0 is a data point. A wonderful question to always be asking. Is 0, 0 a valid data point? If so, why? If not, why? Is 0 undefined or is 0 an asymptote? Why? Have the students explain that to you. Because 0, 0 is a data point, I actually get a square root curve, and that means that speed has a square root style relationship with height. The graph should look like the equation, the square root equation, all right, a square root graph. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to gather some markers, and I'm going to show you why it is that height and velocity have a square root relationship. So let me get some markers ready here.